So I'm gonna make another video about me unboxing stuff because I went back to the convention today, and like I went there an hour before it stopped. So well, it closed just so I can get my hands on the waifu Mika here. As you can see, it's Mika. I put two figures here, which is the best boy Gigan from Godzilla, the Final Wars version, like the first version before he gets his head blown up. Well, I also have, like, I can also change his hands, so they're like double shinsaws, but you know, kind of wanted to kind of prefer him like this, and I just never felt like changing his hands. And his head will change too, but like he's super fragile, whatever. And there's yesterday's small Kirari here, which is about the same size as Gigan. Clearly there's only a few inches separating them, which is kind of true when you think about it. So why am I saying it like I'm sarcastic when it's true? And also I should stop saying Kirari, because I can actually say her name fine, which is Kirari. I don't know, do the Japanese say, like, pronounces the R's? Or do they say... No, they don't say Kirari, they say Kirari. Oh yeah, they do roll their R's. Their R's. Anyway, so yeah, let's make a... Let's unbox her. I kind of already did at my friend's place today, and yeah, it was fun. Great times were had by everyone. So let's unbox it, because implying this hasn't already been done. So this is gonna fall. So as you can see here, it's exactly how it was promised, with the plastic and all. Cammy is here, the poor cat. So yeah, like with the plastic all over it. So as I said, oh yeah, those are twin tails. Another one. And then there's the Mika herself, which is actually, holy shit, she's actually bigger than Gigan. Well, I'm very happy. So as you can see, she doesn't have her micro yet, which means she's just showing that she is good at sucking dicks. I wish she could suck mine. No, actually I will not. Well, I don't know, man. But I'm looking at that ass, and it's a very good ass. It's a pinnacle of quality. This is my first Kotobukiya figure, so God, that quality is so fucking good, holy shit. Like, okay, they all jacked up to this figure. I cannot, no, I'm sure when they designed it, they jacked up to it, that's for sure. They did came, that's for sure. I cannot. Yeah, they probably came. Okay, so let's put the twin tails instead of talking about who came. So I'm gonna put it here. You probably can see my face. I don't care. Okay, so this is one. This one's going there. So yeah, like I said, this is my first Kotobukiya figure. I always wanted to have the Jason one, like the female Jason one, because I think she's fucking hot. But it's discontinued, sadly. Maybe I will find her at a con one day. Don't care enough about the Freddy Krueger one. I think pretty much everyone, like, I don't know, I just think the Freddy one is boring to look at. Come on, Mika, baby. So, Mika is my main in Street Fighter 5. Man, those are some hard to put twin tails. Look at how she's beautiful. She's so gorgeous. I want to fuck her so much. Well, no, actually I don't want to fuck her really. I just want to say I like her and... Yeah, no, I will never be able to... Can you? Come on, focus on Mika. She's beautiful. Come on. Like... Can you focus on her? Like... Is it possible you can focus on her? Hello? Fucking work, man. Okay, she gets blurrier for some reason, so rip. Oh well. I know I don't sound as depressed as I usually do, which is surprising because I'm tired. So that's a very nice microphone. If you can... Why the fuck is this so blurry? What the hell? Oh well, who cares? Gigan just fell, and I think he broke something. Oh shit. God damn it. Something else just fell. Some spike. Oh, okay, just found out where it fell. Oh well. It's okay. Gigan will go sleep here. Like, I will try to, Okay. Well, that's what I get for, putting it there. So yeah, Mika is here. It's okay for the legs of Gigan. I guess I can glue it again. It's gonna be fine. I don't care. So yeah, she has her microphone. She looks beautiful. How come I can't see? I can't focus on the thing. Come on, man. That's lame. So yeah, as you can see, she's taller than Kirari, which is a lie because she's like 5'6", and Kirari is like 6 feet, so that's like a big lie. I think they just made Kirari smaller so Mika could be feeling taller. Oh well. But we can put Gigan. Oh no, Gigan just lost his leg. Oh well, rip. So this is now a Gigan video. Oh man, these things are fragile. Oh no. As long as it's not broken is all that matters, I guess. Fuck. I should be pissed about that. That's not something I want to happen. Okay, I guess it's alright. God damn it, it is not. Why? Gigan, no. I love you. I'm sorry if you can't see me, who cares? God damn it. Yeah, okay, I think I got it. Oh well. Man, this SH figure arts are very fragile, but they have so much articulation planned, so I guess that's fair. God fucking damn it. Why can't you be like fucking Legos? Okay, so even then Gigan is smaller than her. Yeah, Gigan, go look at her butt. So as you can see, Gigan, man, her butt is so beautiful. Oh yeah, then I have like some stickers or stuff. I guess it's probably some kind of certification thing. Man, this is the most tedious and boring video I've ever made. Like, you guys can't even see all of the things I'm doing. God damn it. There's so many fucking stickers. So this is coming with it. I guess to put like here. I don't know. Oh, and there's some kind of manual. Aren't supposed. Yeah, okay, it's exactly what it said. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that for this. But I'm gonna keep it there. So if I ever feel the will to do it, it's gonna be there. Yeah, this video is the worst thing I've ever done. A figure broke. I say nothing. And Gigan is looking at Mika's butt. You can even see the fucking spike that he lost. Which is very sad. Oh well. Well, I guess I'm gonna fix it one day. Yeah, and this probably gonna go inside the box. Why the fuck did I put it? Oh well. At least Mika looks good, and that's what matters the most. As of now. Because Gigan deserves also some love. So look at this man. He's gonna... Oh yeah, boy. He's gonna be like, that's my bitch, man. That's my girl, man. Yeah, boy. You wish you could have that ass, but it's mine. That's what he said. He said it to me one day. He said, yeah, if you buy a Mika figure, it's gonna be mine. Exactly what he said. Words, quote. Like the next Godzilla movie is all gonna be dedicated about how Gigan smashed that ass. I promise it. One day they will make it. God damn it, he fucking lost his man. That's alright though, it didn't break. That's just what it does every fucking time. It's because he can at least, for these, it's because he can... This is not even a fucking Mika video no more. God damn it, this is dumb. This is the stupidest video I've ever done. And I've done fucking dumbass video. I've done the fucking Shadow the Hedgehog again unboxing video, which was the best thing. Because it was so bad. Where I just fucking put... Did I put ketchup or something? No, I wanted to do that. I wanted like to pretend that I bled. By just... because of how edgy the game was. But I chose to not do it because it was kind of dirty and gross, and yeah, in the end I didn't do that because yeah, like I said, this is dirty and gross. So yeah, Gigan looks like that. He looks beautiful just like him. Yeah, it's basically Korg from Thor Ragnarok, where he's like, hey man, how you doing, man? That's basically Gigan. Like, look better for the camera. Yeah, smell her hair. Be like a creep. Be like me. Fucking god. And Kiraru's just there like, no, She's exactly. Oh my god, they both have twin tails. The mother and the woman. Oh my god, suddenly it looks good. Why? Why the fuck is it not blurry no more? And like it's a family photo and I don't want to show me, but... God, this is the worst video. I hate it so much, I want to kill myself. Yeah, so next time I'm gonna try to do some better video. Like I said, the Jurassic World Legos are coming in, so that's gonna be great. Oh, like here, see my thumb? Hello? Focus. Why can you not? This is the worst video I've ever done. I've never done a worse video than that. Fuck this. Next time I'm gonna make the less worse video.